Okay. Think.
Yep.
Yes.
We can kill them, eh?
They're a mixed group. Yeah, they're a mixed group. We can kill them. Oh, they
Second
have
group.
a mid group in behind.
Kill the healer, kill the healer.
Brotta Terra. He's rank 5.
Okay, he's in rank 5. I put my bet on it. I'm going north on the left. And no assist, okay. Frosty. He's smoking, yeah.
Demessing.
Debuffing now.
Ghost. Mist.
He's debuffed.
Sphere.
The mess.
Slammed.
Sphere mist.
Nice heals on him.
I got a BM on me. Can we kill it? It's on charge. Is debuffed.
Demessing.
Ignore summon, no summon.
Kill the nose, kill the nose.
First dead.
Warlock. Kill the Frosty healer, please.
On the bard. Bard.
Missing him. Missing him. And just 2 more east.
Right target. Kill the wolf on Shreya, please. Where to?
I don't know. Just go for the relic. Let's go. Yeah.
To the
From
right,
right-
eh? Southwest.
Yeah, from right to left.
In front.
Southwest, southwest.
Here.
Oh, never mind.
What? Let's go.
Rudy.
Demessing.
Target, please. No. Nobody's nuking, guys. New target. New target.
Oh, sphere mist.
Bard on the left.
Who dead?
Occultist.
Get Brutalus.
The kill,
One more group
guys.
south. South.
Yeah, there's
coming in.
Yeah, they're coming in. Maybe they're not.
The scout behind us, guys.
They're in. Not hitting.
Okay, they're hitting something else. Okay, let's go. Let's push on the right.
Okay, Kelt.
We have a range buff.
Copy. Going up and Kelt on the right.
Big mess east.
Take the cobble next to me, guys. I'm finishing this guy. Okay, never mind. He's getting healed. Take the cobble.
Treya missed.
I'm gonna root the bump. Never mind. Luri. Summon. Beat up. I'm stunned. Fear. Bard.
Oh no,
No.
he's locked.
We got thing coming
One more
behind,
group.
behind guys,
Southwest.
behind Fanny. Turn around.
Then that's on you.
Missed.
We need to kill the Templar, eh?
We've got incoming north as well. Be careful, they have the blood relic to the north.
They're coming in though now.
Okay, the troll in us. Come on. gonna be dwarf.
Damage, sorry.
It's a healer. Come on, assist now.
Yeah, all support messed.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Kelt
In
in
front.
front of
In
us.
front.
Dwarf. Briton on the right. I got a Weaver on me. Can you take it? Thank you.
It's hitting this guy. Oh, the shaman.
So yeah,
Cover it
messed.
out.
One more group west. They're not hitting.
Guys, we need to
Okay.
push. Are you with me?
Cleric on the right. Yeah. Shaman
They have another group coming from behind. The Herra.
in Konu.
The shaman was trying to share buff the vampire. Nice.
Yep, he was.
Mest 20.
Ooh.
Careful, eh?
Sí. Big Bash! We need some purge. Holy Bash.
Yeah.
I'm gonna catch.
Messed, you messing?
I'm microing them running in.
Okay,
Test quick on
corrupting.
Dana.
Takes quick on Finny.
Kill the guy in us. Can we kill him? Quick as debuffing now, please.
Heal.
Damage sphere.
He's down. No heals, eh? Okay, got you. Got you now.
I got PA'd. Fuck.
Got you.
Kill
got you, got
the
you.
PA, kill the PA.
Interrupted. No heals.
Damage.
From mouth.
Damage, sorry.
We
Healer on the
gotta
right.
move. We gotta move.
Sauce
west.
out here.
Guys, sauce west.
West.
Sauce west. 3, 2, 1.
Sauce is up. Just run.
Yeah. So,
I routed one route. Killing Kel Brehon in 3, 2, 1, now. North.
Sphere stunned.
can we push the Celt?
Get that route, yeah. Frosty healer. The assassin killing on the right. Kobe. Banshee.
Missed.
Come on.
Die messing.
Thank you.
Die messed sphere.
Give me a think.
Barthinas. I'm stunning it. Immune. Assist. Nice. Half ogre. Or Kelt. Switch. Shaman on the right. Mest.
Die messing.
Got a potential group coming in behind us from northwest. Just
We need to kill the relic guy, if you can. I got him.
Yep.
I need Dex Quick-ons. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, we should.
16
Messing.
study for the relic.
Messing west. East.
I got the relic.
Closest, eh? Assist.
Get the relic. They're killing me.
No.
Get the.
Okay.
Dwarf.
Shell.
New
Okay,
target dwarf on me.
I'm dropping the relic.
Routine
New
the
target
half
half
ogre.
ogre.
Don't guide.
Kill him.
Okay.
Really low.
More from
Return.
coming southwest.
southwest. No, not coming in yet.
I've read them outside anyway.
Alright.
Killing for Briton.
I've got Highlander on me. I'm just kiting him.
Is that
New star.
curate near side gone?
We got the guys. Let's go northwest. Ready? Northwest from left to right. I see a
Elf.
tasty elf.
Copy. Norseman in us.
He's read.
Copy on the right. Still copy. Dwarf in the middle.
Demessing.
Star is target now.
Let's go. I got slammed.
Hip group northeast.
I'm really out of power, guys. I have
Oh,
nothing.
big mess
He's
east.
broke.
Tryhard.
Oh.
I got PA.
Coming.
He's read.
When I saw him perform the second style, I was like, okay, he's dead.
Yeah.
Kill the relic.
Dwarf next to Starry. Okay, in us.
Relic is southeast. Just one guy.
This
solo
Briton.
guy.
Gonna study.
Luri. I'm near sighted. It's grey.
Oh! Boom.
Saracen on the left. Dwarf. Highlander.
I'm not taking the
Inconu on the
relic.
left. Inconu on the left.
Group behind in the west. They are fighting. Don't know.
Yeah. One group east as well. They're coming.
Yeah, so west guys, they're engaging us.
Oh,
That's-
also behind
Yeah,
us.
We're
yeah.
sandwich. We're
Oh,
sandwich.
shit.
We're sandwich.
Okay. They're just getting the relic and no, okay, they're coming in.
Okay, all messed east.
Slammed.
West.
Healer
Both
in us.
messed.
Healer in us.
Missed.
Ah,
Unknown.
Which side are we guiding?
Push west, south, I guess.
oh, come in. Go in again.
I was trying to root him outside.
Okay, fair.
Holy shit, I think we're fucked.
Yeah.
Maybe I can get this guy? No. Come on. Okay, reset.
How much left? Yeah.
That's no worries.
50 seconds.
Oh, ding. Beep. What? It's over in 50 seconds?
Yeah.
Shit. Okay. Revenge.
Yellow Kobe on the right.
So
Guys, one assist, please. One assist. Thank you.
Warlock.
Damage study. Fuck.
Troll 3, 2,
Charging.
1.
Charge in. 3, 2, 1. Charge.
New target.
Okay, go.
Dwarf, Scalp.
Coming assist. Let's go.
The Savage on me.
Oh, Svea missed.
Ich missed.
New target, Savage on me. Quick as debuffing. Is the buff?
Damage over.
Can die.
Bin missing.
Nice.
God, they
The
stunned again.
Circle, guys. On me.
I'm coming.
Missing.
Oh, there is a fucking warlock behind us.
Damage Svea.
Das Tor ist
Okay,
missed.
nice. Assist, Fenny, assist.
Oh, missed.
Missing. Oh, cannot.
Healer can die.
Missing.
Shield.
Thank you.
Okay, kill the troll in us, Fenny. Behind. Kill the
Yeah,
troll in us
yeah.
on the animist.
Damage starry. I'm a little deep.
Kobe and Marne. Nice troll.
The fuck hit me?
Warlock on the side. Danai, a la derecha.
I see. Killing warlock. Is a stun, please assist.
Damage Svea.
Is the buff.
Damage Svea.
Go.
Assist on Thea. After you finish the warlock.
It's England. Okay.
They keep coming, man. The troll on Starwarrior. Debuffing in 3.
I'm
I need full
stunned.
buffs on Dana.
Damage Svea again.
Debuff. Is debuff. Oh my god.
Oh my god,
And-
0%.
Oh.
Pulling too hard, I guess.
Missing.
No heals, eh.
Yeah. It's okay.
Entonces, power.
I fucking clicked this guy.
No, it's more than a group.
Well, guys, that was it for me.
Yeah, sí.